final one. Kyle, Bigfoot 4, Pike against the duct tape sticker Goliath over here. Camrys, are we ready? Drivers, are we ready? Watch the light. All right, cameras ready, drivers ready. Watch the light. Chris is going to take the win and give
You're so
correct. Drivers ready. Watch the light. Kyle, take the lead. And get another win today with Kyle. Take the 4. Kyle, you got to receive that.
We're gonna have to repack all your trucks, Kyle.
All right, Kyle, we're here at the end of the retro bracket. It was a little quick 4-truck bracket. It's the first time I was driving a retro today as well. But Bigfoot's been out here all season doing retro, and it's been kicking butt, man. So why don't you tell us a little bit about this thing and what you've done to it? I see a little bit of carbon fiber maybe in there, a little something,
A
something.
little carbon fiber, you know, the battery tray's carbon fiber, a couple carbon fiber pieces in there, but for the most stock, it is a stock cloudbuster. Aftermarket shocks, but it is a cloudbuster.
All right, well, there you go. Got the J Concept Speed 27 turns in there.
Yep.
There you go, man. Seems like a winning combination.
Yep.
So good job on the retro win.
Thank you.
All right.
You guys know the track, yeah?
Yes. You start at the red or blue line. You jump, you go, you turn around, you jump, and finish.
Just one loop? One loop.
Alright, drivers, watch the light.
Penalty.
Miniman, Alright, okay, you ready? Drivers, you ready? Watch the light. Showing along here. Oh, he's got those 8 tires on there.
Oh yeah.
He's not missing any turns.
We're going tractoring, boys.
It floats. No, literally float. Those tires actually float.
Oh, do they?
Yeah, that truck will float like a real truck.
Did you all flip over backwards?
But then you might flip over frontwards.
Alright.
That would be unlikely. Let's do this.
Alright, drivers. Ready, cameras, you ready? Watch the light. Little squirrely.
What did I not
Silver
hit?
Eagle for the win.
It's fine for everything.
She's got one of those spin master bodies on there.
Yeah. It's heavy.
It's a heavy beast. Alright, cameras are ready? Drivers, are you ready? Watch the light.
Oh no, the
Don't knock the camera over.
Oh no.
And he just had the reverse. Oh!
Is that a dead race? No,
It's a dead race.
Dead race.
Rerun it.
Rerun it.
Oh, why did it die?
It is.
Same truck.
Rerun.
If I can drive. Alright.
There we go.
Close enough.
There we go. Cameras are ready, drivers are ready. Watch the light. Little song for the win. Okay, drivers, are you ready? Watch the light.
Oh no!
Miniman for the win. Good time. Alright, we ready, cameras? Drivers, are you ready? Watch the light. Troy and Walter are taking it.
A bit wide.
Alright.
All right, Kelvin Sobrico, Mike Gunslinger.
Do it.
All right, cameras are ready, drivers ready. Watch the light.
Whoa! What the?
Good driving, man.
Sobrico's gonna take the win.
Oh,
Standing back, let's win races.
All right, drivers ready. Cameras are ready. Go on grid. And the biscuit machine with the win.
We'll see, man.
Alright, we ready, cameras? Drivers, are you ready? Watch the light. Ooh, it's a close race. Oh, Troy.
See, I told you. Yeah, it's so short of a track.
pretty embarrassed.
Just need to hire him as a driver then.
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go.
I'm rooting for him anyway, so.
Alright,
Let's
cameras.
go.
Drivers, are you ready? Watch the light. So that's it, dude. Cut him off. Mystery machine. Alright, ready? Drivers need a minute. Drivers are ready. Watch the light.
Oh, we both grabbed it.
Alright, redo. Oh, here, take it away.
Dang.